Hello, champ. Congratulations on clearing the NOS Level 1 exam. Welcome to India's most awaited and award-winning Olympiad finale, the NOF Champions League. We've prepared 4 sample papers, 40 questions each, with free video solutions to help you perform your best. Watch carefully, take notes, practice, and excel. Here is your English sample paper with solutions.
Hello everyone. Today we are solving sample paper 1 for class 7 for English. Let us begin with question number 1. Choose the correct form. By the time the guests arrive, she dash baking the cake. A. Has finished. B. Will have finished. C. Had finished. And D. Finishes. The correct answer is option B, will have finished. The phrase by the time the guests arrive refers to a point in the future. To show that action will be completed before that future moment, we will use the future perfect tense, which is will have plus the past participle. Question number 2. Identify the informal expression, we were thrilled to hear about your success. A. We were thrilled to hear about your success. B. Congratulations on your achievement. C. That's awesome. Congrats. D. What a wonderful news indeed. The correct answer is option C. That's awesome. Congrats. This is awesome and congrats are casual conversational expressions which makes the sentence informal. The other options use more formal or neutral language. Question number 3. Rearrange the sentence. Visited historic we during city vacation hour. Option A. Our vacation during visited we a historic city. Option B. We visited a historic city during our vacation. C. A city we visited historic hour during vacation. D. During our vacation visited we a historic city. The correct answer is option B. We visited a historic city during our vacation. Question number 4 to 7 are based on the following passage. The rainforest ecosystem. Rainforests are home to an incredible diversity of plants and animals. These dense forests are located near the equator, where the climate is warm and wet. They play a vital role in maintaining the Earth's oxygen levels by absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. However, deforestation is a major threat to rainforests, leading to the loss of habitat for many species and contributing to global warming. Question number 4. What is the main role of rainforests in maintaining the Earth's environment? A. Providing food. B. Absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. C. Protecting wildlife. And D. Storing water. The correct answer is option B. Absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. Question 5. What is a significant threat to rainforests? A. Pollution. B. Urbanization. C. Deforestation. And D. Climate change. The correct option is option C. Deforestation. Question number 6. Convert to direct speech. She said that she had been waiting for an hour. Option A, she said, I had been waiting for an hour. Option B, she said, I have been waiting for an hour. Option C, she said, I was waiting for an hour. Option D, she said, I waited for an hour. The correct answer is option B, she said, I have been waiting for an hour. In indirect speech, had been waiting is the past perfect continuous. When converting back to the direct speech, we usually restore it to the present perfect continuous, which is have been waiting, as it reflects what the speaker originally said. Hence, the correct option is option B. Question 7 is an analogy. Moon is to satellite as Earth is to A. Orbit, B. Planet, C. Solar system, D. Asteroid. The correct answer is option B. Planet. Question number 8. Spot the mistake. Each of the students have completed their assignments. A. Each, B. Have, C. There, D. There is no error. The correct option is option B. Have. Each is an indefinite pronoun and it takes a singular verb. Hence, the correct sentence should be each of the students has completed their assignments. Moving on to question number 9. Choose the most appropriate formal sentence for an email. Option A, can I meet you tomorrow? Option B, may I kindly request a meeting with you tomorrow? C, I want to meet you tomorrow. D, let's catch up tomorrow. Since we are looking at a formal sentence, option B, may I kindly request a meeting with you tomorrow? Correct answer is, may I kindly request a meeting with you tomorrow. Question number 10, spot the error. Neither the teacher nor the students was prepared for the test. Option A, neither. Option B, was. Option C, nor. Option D, no error. The correct option is option B, was. According to the subject-verb agreement rules, the correct sentence should be neither the teacher nor the students were prepared for the test. Moving on to question number 11, identify the sentence with a relative clause. Option A, the book that I borrowed from the library is fascinating. Option B, she will join us if she finishes her work. Option C, after the movie ended, we went out for dinner. Option D, I will come to your house tomorrow. The correct answer is option A, the book that I borrowed from the library is fascinating. The clause that I borrowed from the library gives extra information about the noun book. It begins with a relative pronoun that, so it is a relative clause. Question number 12, identify whether the statement is a fact or an opinion. The Eiffel Tower is 330 meters tall. Option A, fact. Option B, opinion. Option C, both. Option D, neither. The correct answer is option A, fact. Question 13. What type of clause is when the bell rang in this sentence? The students left the classroom when the bell rang. Option A, noun clause. Option B, dependent clause. Option C, adverbial clause. And option D, relative clause. The correct option is option C, adverbial clause. The clause when the bell rang tells us the time when the students left. It works as an adverb of time. Hence, the correct option is option C, adverbial clause. Question 14. Identify the error. The team were congratulated for their efforts. A. The team. B. Were. C. Congratulated. D. No error. The correct option is option B. Were. Collective nouns like team, jury, committee are generally treated as singular unless clearly divided. In this sentence, the team is being spoken of as one unit, not as separate individuals. Hence, it will take a singular verb. Question number 15 to 16 are based on the following notice. Notice, International Travel Advisory. All passengers traveling internationally are required to carry a negative COVID-19 test taken within 48 hours of departure. Additionally, passengers must complete an online health declaration form before check-in. Failure to comply may result in denial of boarding. Travelers are advised to check entry restrictions for their destination countries as some may require proof of vaccination. Question 15. What is mandatory for all international travelers? Option A, a health declaration form. Option B, a negative COVID-19 test within 72 hours. Option C, a negative COVID-19 test within 48 hours. And option D, proof of vaccination. The correct option is option C, a negative COVID-19 test within 48 hours. Question 16. What would happen if a traveler fails to comply with the requirements? Option A, they will be fined. Option B, they will be denied boarding. Option C, they will need to rebook their flight. Option D, they will be quarantined. The correct option is option B, they will be denied boarding. Question 17, identify the correct sentence. The team are practicing for the tournament. Option B, the team is practicing for the tournament. C, the team practices for the tournament. And D, the team were practicing for the tournament. The correct option is option B, the team is practicing for the tournament, as team is a collective noun and is considered singular. Question 18. Identify the word that does not belong to the group lion, tiger, elephant, and cheetah. A. Lion. B. Tiger. C. Elephant. And D. Cheetah. The correct option is option C. Elephant. Lion, tiger, and cheetah all are carnivorous animals, and an elephant is a herbivore. Also, all the three other animals belong to the cat family. Question 19. Oxygen is to respiration as carbon dioxide is to what? It is an analogy. Option A, combustion. Option B, photosynthesis. Option C, evaporation. Option D, decomposition. Oxygen is a gas that is required for respiration. Similarly, carbon dioxide is a gas that is required for the process of photosynthesis. Hence, option B, photosynthesis, is the correct option. Question 20. Choose the one word substitution, a person who walks in their sleep. A. Insomniac. B. Somnambulist. C. Sleepwalker. D. Hypochondriac. The correct option is option B, somnambulist. Question 21. Convert to indirect speech. He said, I will finish the project tomorrow. A. He said that he will finish the project tomorrow. B. He said that he would finish the project tomorrow. C. He said that he would finish the project the next day. D. He said that he will finish the project the next day. The correct option is option C. He said that he would finish the project the next day. Identify the tense. The book had been lying on the table for weeks before anyone noticed it. Option A, present perfect. Option B, past continuous. Option C, past perfect continuous. And D, future perfect. If we look at the verb phrase had been lying, we can see that the past perfect continuous tense has been used. So the correct answer is option C, past perfect continuous. Question 23. Rearrange the words across river, the bridge, old, the, and stood. Option A, an old bridge stood across the river. Option B, the river stood across an old bridge. Option C, across the river, an old bridge stood. Option D, and across old bridge stood the river. The correct option is option A, an old bridge stood across the river. Question 24. What type of sentence is this? What a beautiful day it is. A. Declarative. B. Interrogative. C. Exclamatory. D. Imperative. The correct option is option D. Imperative. Question 25 and 26 are based on the following letter. Appeal for disaster relief funds. Subject, appeal for contributions to flood relief efforts. Dear Mr. Gupta, the recent floods have left thousands homeless and without access to basic necessities. We are organizing a relief fund to provide food, clothing, and medical aid to affected families. Every contribution, no matter the size, will make a significant difference. Donations can be made online or at the community center. Let us join hands to support those in dire need. Sincerely, Aditya Iyer, Relief Fund Coordinator. Question 25. What emotional appeal does Aditya use to encourage donations? A. Highlighting the scale of the disaster. B. Emphasizing the impact of individual contributions. C. Stressing the need for community solidarity. And D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Question 26. Why are both online and offline donation options provided? A. To increase the convenience of the donors. B. To track donations effectively. C. To attract more volunteers. D. To manage funds more efficiently. The correct option is option A. To increase the convenience for the donors. Question 27. Choose the synonym for brilliant in this sentence. Her brilliant performance impressed the judges. A. Dull. B. Intelligent. C. Outstanding. And D. Average. The correct option is C. Outstanding. In the sentence, brilliant describes the quality of her performance, meaning which is excellent or exceptional. Question 28. Identify the antonym of ancient in this sentence. The artifact was ancient and valuable. Option A, old. Option B, new. Option C, historic. Option D, antique. The correct answer is option B, new. The antonym of ancient is new or modern. The other options, old, historic, and antique, are similar in meaning to ancient. Question number 29, fill in the blank. Dash moon looks beautiful tonight. Option A, option B, an, option C, the, option D, none. The correct option is option C. The moon looks beautiful tonight. We will use the article the because moon is an object that is singular in existence. Question 30. Choose the correct modal. You dash finish your homework before going out to play. Option A, should. Option B, could. Option C, might. Option D, can. The correct option is option A, should. The statement sounds like an advice or suggestion and should is a modal verb that is used to express suggestion or advice. Question number 31. Fill in the blank. There are dash apples in the basket. A. Many. B. Much. C. Every. D. A little. Apples is a countable noun, hence we can use many with a countable noun. Option A, many, is the correct answer. There are many apples in the basket. Question 32. Choose the correct determiner. He doesn't have dash money to buy the book. Option A, any. Option B, some. Option C, few. Option D, a. The correct option is option A, any. The determiner any can be used with countable as well as uncountable nouns, and it is used in negative sentences. Hence, the correct sentence would be he doesn't have any money to buy the book. Question 33. Convert to passive voice. They had completed the project before the deadline. A. The project has been completed before the deadline. B. The project was completed by them before the deadline. C. The project had been completed by them before the deadline. And D. The project is completed before the deadline. The correct answer is option C. The project had been completed by them before the deadline. Question 34, change to active voice. The invitations were sent out by the team last week. Option A, the team sends out the invitations last week. B, the team sent out the invitations last week. C, the team was sending out the invitations last week. And D, the team has sent out the invitations last week. The correct option is option B. The team sent out the invitation last week. In this option, we have swapped the position of the object and the doer of the action, as well as both the sentences remain in the simple past tense. Question 35. Identify the correctly spelled word. Option A, ACCOMODATION. B, ACCOMMODATION. C, ACCOMADATION. D, ACOMMODATION. The correct option is option B, ACCOMMODATION. And the word that we are looking at is accommodation. Question 36. What does the idiom throw the towel mean? A. To surrender or give up. B. To challenge someone. C. To start a fight. D. To criticize harshly. The correct option is option A. To surrender or give up. The idiom throw in the towel comes from boxing. When a boxer's team throws a towel into the ring, it means they admit defeat and stop the fight. Hence, the correct answer is option A, to surrender or give up. Choose the correct meaning of bite the bullet. To endure a difficult situation bravely, to act without thinking, to criticize unfairly, to make a hasty decision. The correct answer is option A, to endure a difficult situation bravely. Literally speaking, a bullet is a very hard object, and to bite it is going to be very, very difficult to endure. Question 38. Identify the part of the speech of the word quickly in the sentence, she quickly completed the assignment. Option A, adverb. Option B, adjective. Option C, verb. Option D, preposition. The correct option is option A, adverb. An adverb is a part of speech that modifies an adjective, a verb, or another adverb. Here in this sentence, the word quickly is modifying the verb completed, hence, it is an adverb. Question 39. What is the function of his in this sentence? This is his book. A. Pronoun. B. Adjective. C. Noun. D. Article. The correct option is option B. Adjective. In the phrase his book, his describes the noun book. It is a possessive adjective, also called a possessive determiner. Identify the type of sentence. Close the door immediately. A. Declarative. B. Interrogative. C. Exclamatory. D. Imperative. Close the door immediately is an instruction. Hence, the correct option is option D, imperative. With this, we have come to the end of paper 1 for class 7 for the subject English. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content.